Are you selling bundle products in Shopee or Lazada? Each time someone purchases your bundle products on Shopee or Lazada, do you have to manually deduct the inventory stock for each item? This is very troublesome and is a big problem for your business. However, no worries. SiteGiant has the solution for you. Introducing SiteGiant bundle products. Only 3 simple steps to do it. First of all, create your product inventory in SiteGiant. Then, create your bundle products by filling the bundle products details and add the items to the bundle. Then save and sync your bundle products to Shopee and Lazada. The next time someone purchases your bundle product, you will see each item's been auto-deducted and your bundle products inventory stock will be updated at all times. Interested to know more? Feel free to talk with our consultant today.